They learn Gaelic from their parents, families, grandparents.
Yeah, school as well,
It was my first language.
Glasgow Uni. She goes to Glasgow Uni. Some school. She teaches in a school.
At school.
I learned it at school. Medinburn Primary School and then Bishopbriggs High School.
She learned at a night class, and she learned because she fancied a guy who was from Eust.
They learned it at school.
Download at school. Because I want to learn Gaelic.
She was born in Gaelic, I think.
Yeah.
Well, he grew up with it. He's from the Highlands kind of thing. So he grew up learning how to speak Gaelic.
Well, Kirsty grew up with, and Yvonne learned it at Strathclyde.
Yeah. No, University of.
Learned it in school.
I went to Boonskull and Tallinn in the Isle of Mull, so I studied Gaelic through primary school and high school, which is really good.
We live in a small island called the Isle of Brassey, which is up near the Isle of Skye, and there was a teacher there that taught them all Gaelic. And I know for a fact that up there they actively teach all the kids to speak Gaelic.
They learned it at school because he goes to Skye.
The Glasgow Gaelic School.
RSMD.
I know some people that learn at school.
Haber.
Not born unless I think they're brought up that way.
They learn Gaelic, but they grew up speaking Gaelic.
RCMD. It's part of our Scottish music course.
From my family, passed down.